Hello people with the spirit of learning. So in this video we'll be talking about row and column. So this is the basic layout for any user interface design for the website, for the mobile, desktop, tablet, and anywhere. Okay, so if you are a web developer, you might already familiar with this kind of thing, but if you are new in this something, so you can learn from me right now. So if you need the official documentation that we got it like layouts in Flutter, there are a lot of information about this. So this is the diagram tree for our application. So it starts with the container, and inside of this container has many row and columns, and then icon and container, and then text again. So basically we're going to use on those elements for our application. Okay, so basically Flutter is also provide you the default template like this one, align, aspect ratio, baseline, and anything that you really need. But I suggest you, if you are new in this Flutter, we can start with the basic thing like Flutter giving us like this container, row, column, and then anything else. Okay, so we're going to start in this component, and we're going to build our design. So I'm going to show you, this is the shortcut of the information. So basically the column layout, it's like user interface that which has a lot of content vertically. Okay, but the row layout is like a different from the column. So if you want to display our item horizontally, we can use this row layout in the Flutter. Okay, so for explanation, I have this sample mobile application, and then there is a discover page, right? So if you see those menus like my share, followers, and then following, so basically they are using two type, which is row and column. You might asking, can we use both of them at the same time? Yes, of course, it is really cool. Okay, so I give the tag here. This is the row, and this is and then we use column to display vertically. Okay, so in this video we're going to practicing in this layout, basic layout, so you will understand carefully about this. So let's go ahead. So in this main.dart, we don't have anything here, but we're going to start into designing the basic layout. So first of all, I will give this a background color. So let me give the color here. Okay, and then we need the color which is white holy. Okay, and then we save it, and it's gonna be white color. Okay, and then we're going to practicing about the simple application, like maybe some menu here, right? So yeah, I think that we can give like a basic child here, and then we will write by a row because we want to display into horizontally. Okay, so just row here. Okay, and then we will have children. It's not child. Child is that for single item, but children you can use multi times. So just children here. So the first children I will write like maybe icon. Okay, so I'll be need some icon here. I'll be using this cappuccino icon. This is the default from our Flutter. If you open this pubspec YML, so there is a cappuccino icon. So we can find out the list of cappuccino icon Flutter, and you'll see there's a lot of icon here that we can use it. Okay, but you could also to use another Flutter icon, and maybe you will have it. Okay, so in this time I will use this cappuccino because it's already installed in our dependency here, and it's pretty easy to use it. So we will type icons and then arrow back. Okay, and save it, and you'll see there is an icon arrow back here. But remember, whenever you want to design this application, you have to wrap it with the save area. Okay, so in this row I will cut it, and then I will open the save area here just like that, and then give a child here and give the row here. Okay, but there is one separator here, remove them, and it's active. Okay, so why is this on the middle, why is not on the top, right? That's the question. Okay, never mind, we have to continue first. So after the arrow I will give a text here, maybe a simple like my logo. Okay, just like that. Okay, and then I think we need to add another icon just like here, and then in this icon I can give like wishlist, or maybe what is this now, different, maybe I need something like settings. Okay, just like that. All right, so this is how do we display user interface design with this row. But whenever you change this row with the column, it will be a different thing, you know, from this from the top into the bottom. Okay, so I guess if you wanna design like the navigation bar, you need to use this row. Okay, because it's gonna help you to display the item from the left into the right. It's horizontally. Okay, so it is pretty cool. So in the next video I'm going to show you how do we styling this navigation bar more better on the top right here. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video tutorial.